Platinum against US dollar this week was rising in value and then returned back down, going below 1033.49, making a bearish breakout. But on a Friday, the prices returned back up, reaching again 1052.40 and bouncing back down. We can see that the weekly time frame has closed as a bullish candle, but with a large wick where the price stopped just at the support level where the price currently is. And the previous month has closed as a bullish candle with a large bullish candle and a smaller wick. But the price has formed this reach 103.49, which is slightly pointing me that it could be a bullish breakout, but it is not very clear because the area around this support and resistance level is very jumpy. You will see that on the lower time frame. You can see that the price is forming large wicks and there is no clear an area that could point me that this is a bullish breakout. What I could say, I am much more inclined that the price will continue to rise in value than to see the price going even more down. We can see that in the past the price was forwarding, and I also would move this one here. That is showing me much more clearly information that the breakout here, which was in the past, is being here validated with this bearish candle in the previous month and this one here. So this is a small signal for me that the price will continue to rise in value. Daily time frame shows me this. Okay, just a minute. Now I have supply demand zone, which is here. I need to move this one down. Also down, just a minute to find where this area is. Okay. And I need to set this one, supply demand zone, around this area so we can see what are the future price levels we can expect. Visualization only on daily. Okay. And it set shapes right here around this area, which is a resistance level. Let me see where the price is coming, where the price is touching and bouncing. This is the one, and only on the daily. Now I can continue. Now we can see that the price has reached this support level on the daily time frame, but it is very important support level. We can see that also on the weekly and the monthly time frame. This is a support level for the three time frame levels, so it is a very important demand zone for the price where the price is jumping back up. What is very important is that the weekly time frame shows us this is potentially a support level that will hold. The daily time frame shows us it's very important support level that has been hold the price. Now for the price, in order to return back up, we need to see the price forming again this bullish breakout like in this example, but not having the second candle going back below, which is indication for the further decline in the opposite direction, like it has happened in this example. So I'm expecting again the price will need to make a bullish breakout in order for me to validate further rise in value. Until that happens, I will wait for the price until the price moves outside of this range area. We can see that, or the price makes a bearish breakout like in this example and validating with the next candle not closing back above. So this is something I need to wait, and for now I am staying outside waiting for the breakout that has been validated to the upside or to the downside. So this is all for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.